Yo, what's going on? It's Kevin with KVLmedia. Just came next door to get my screen printed shirts. So let's go check them out. We got some new shirts on the way. So we're here in All Out Advertising with my good people, my good neighbors. Getting ready to print some shirts.
Oh, fingers. Okay, not like your hands.
Don't you put him on a shirt? Jesus Christ, get rag up on there, man.
Alright, so first we're going to practice on the practice shirt. So we got the test shirt right now. All right. I don't want to mess up my shirt, so let's figure out how to do this. All right.
So we're putting it down, and then you press down, grab a hold, try to keep your fingers about all the way from here, or yeah, try to keep them about that thick. Right here? Put your thumbs. Now you put your thumbs down, but and then pull.
Do I pull all the way down?
Right, all the way down, past the elbow. Right.
What the hell?
Right?
I'm all right.
All the way up.
I'm a pro at this.
Champion status, huh?
Champs. The champ is here. Yeah, I like that. I like that design too.
Right. And then it goes in here when you cut this on. Okay. That'll cook it all the way. That's the oven.
Got you. Okay. So I feel down.
Fun stuff.
All right. Quick training on t-shirt making.
That's what we do for you here at All Out Advertising. Gotta hook KVL Studios up, man.
Appreciate you. All right.
See, now what it does, it's got to get hit twice because it's on a black shirt.
Gotcha.
So, you see how it looks there? It looks kind of faded the first time around. So you flash dry it real quick, and then the second time around it won't look faded. See the difference?
Mm-hmm. The master's at work.
It's just the only way we're gonna do it. See what they're doing.